Want to say hi to the camera? Well, for some of you guys, this video is going to have some bad news. Some of you will think it's good news, and probably a lot of you won't care. By the title of the video, you know that one of my trucks is leaving the channel. I posted about this before, and I asked what people would choose, and it was kind of split, kind of 50-50. So you'll just have to wait and see which truck I sold, or you could just skip ahead towards like the middle of the video and find out. Either way, we go over all the reasons why I sold one of them and why I picked one over the other in this video. But first, a couple mods to do, actually. Before we get too far along in this video, there are some parts I need to fix and some things I need to install in the big truck. One of those is the center cab light, which is out. And I have to give credit to Recon customer service because I reached out to them and said, hey, this center cab light isn't working. I took it off, I tested it, it's completely dead. So they sent me out a new one. All I had to do was pay shipping, and it came like within a couple days, so kudos to them. Then you guys know I have a Pro Clips USA phone mount in my little truck. Well, they reached out and said, hey, do you want one in your big truck? Well, yeah, absolutely. So I got the angled kit that goes right there. And then just a kit for an iPhone with a case. Install these two pieces real quick, and we'll move on to the meat and potatoes of this video. Oh yeah, that'll do. It's like legit quality, that's for sure. Unpackage it, pop off trim, pop off 3M tape, insert, done. Take the tape off. I always wanted one of these for this truck, but I never got one. That's freaking solid. What's weird is these 4 holes don't align with the holes already in here.
Oh, sideways, turn it.
You think, does it? Oh, it does turn. Ooh, that, good job, idiot. Oh yeah, there you go. What do you think?
That's why I said, read the directions.
Top or bottom?
I would say just top, because you get into 6th gear.
Smack it.
Yep.
Can you get me a small Phillips screwdriver?
That was easy.
Oh my goodness, why didn't I have that way sooner? You have your... Look at that. That is like a perfect spot too. Not gonna hit any gears. I like that anyway. Let's just
Slide right in.
slides in nice. Well, some of you know this truck is sold. It's gone. No more. Well, it's still here. This is the last time you'll see it. We got the new cab light on. We got the new mount from Pro Clip, thanks to them. But that's the last mods for this truck, at least for me. She's gone, sold. And then my mind goes blank, and I don't know what to say. So I sold it to my buddy. He needed a truck because he got a house, so he decided to buy this giant thing. Take care of it.
I definitely will. I'll see you soon.
Look at that mount.
Perfect.
Big burnout on the way out?
I plan on making it last.
All right, dude, see you later. So that's it, boys. The big truck is gone. You can see I have a large empty spot right there where it used to be, but it's no longer. Still have the beautiful and functional ZR2 though. And of course, the broken BMW. The guy you saw in the video, he's the one that bought the truck. He's a friend of mine. He actually just purchased a house and he needed a truck, and you know, he's like, well, would you sell your LB7? I said, yeah, but come drive it, because it's not exactly a great daily, as you guys probably know from some of my videos. So make sure to come drive it and let me know that you want it for sure before you take it off my hands. So he came and drove it. He loved it. He said, yeah, I'll take it. So he made me a good offer. I sold it to him, and what's nice is he doesn't live far away. So, you know, the truck isn't like gone. It's not like it went off to, you know, Montana or Kentucky or something like that. Like you're still gonna see it on the channel. And you can find it on his Instagram, and he has a YouTube as well. Hopefully I can talk him into making videos again. It's been a while, but it's right here at the screen, you'll see. So he'll take excellent care of it. He's a car enthusiast like me. He's gonna eventually mod it. I'm hoping I can talk him into a bigger turbo or twin turbos or something crazy like that, bigger injectors, I don't know. We'll see. He'll do the things that I never got around to doing. Now, the reason I sold it, actually the number one reason why I sold this truck is because of you guys, because of YouTube. I first started this channel, really the main focus was the ZR2. But I had my LB7 at the time, a clean manual LB7. Almost no one. I thought it would do really well on YouTube. I thought it would take off and you guys would really watch it and like the stuff, but you didn't. And that's no fault to you guys, just it wasn't interesting enough. Like I don't know how many videos I made on that truck. Let's call it 15. Let's call it 20, I'd have to look. And none of them got any views. And it's not like I'm a big YouTuber and have a bunch of views on any of my stuff, but I mean, the LB7, man, it got less views than anything. Less views than the BMW. But that's not going anywhere because that's my baby. So I thought if no one's gonna watch it, why keep it around? I don't need two trucks. Like if you guys had watched the stuff and each video get, you know, even 5,000 or 10,000 views, not a whole lot, I'd keep it and I'd keep modding it. And I had a bunch of plans in my head. I was gonna do a bigger turbo, probably bigger injectors eventually. I was gonna do traction bars. I was gonna get it wrapped or try to wrap it myself. There were a whole lot of things that I still wanted to do to that truck, even though it was set up really well how it was, but it just wasn't worth it, because if I spent 10 grand on that truck and kept modifying it just to make like 50 bucks on YouTube, like it wouldn't pay off. And it's not like the stuff I have now like makes me money on YouTube, but you know, if a video gets 10,000 views, you know, at least I get like 100 bucks or something. It's better than nothing. But the LB7 got nothing, absolutely nothing. I thought it would, but I guess it's too old of a truck. Everyone's been there and done that. So it really wasn't anything special, probably because it's pewter. So for those of you that joined and subscribed just for the LB7 content, I do apologize. I hope you stick around because I am getting another full-size diesel. I'm not gonna tell you when or which one, but it's gonna be pretty different than the LB7. It's not gonna be like that at all. So I hope you guys stick around. That will be coming to the channel. I don't know when. It's kind of out of my hands at this point. We'll see when I can get my hands on one, but there will be another full-size diesel coming to the channel. The ZR2 isn't going anywhere. LS1 E36 isn't going anywhere either. Well, it's actually not going anywhere because it's broken. If you know, you know. Still looks pretty under here though. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I know it was kind of boring and it wasn't like anything special. Threw a couple mods on the truck, a couple fixes before we sent it off with its new owner. So go follow him. I'm sure you appreciate it. You can keep an eye on the truck and see what all he's doing to it. Yeah, I do miss it, and I know I'll never have another one, but if he ever goes to sell it and I'm in a position to buy it, I probably will buy it back, because I'll never have another low mileage ZF6. Even though he keeps putting a bunch of miles on it. I told him to stop driving it. Just let it sit. Don't rack up a bunch of miles on it. Hopefully you still stick around for other truck content and future builds, because it's not just these two vehicles. I mean, I have the E30 that I got to start working on. I got this engine over here I got to start tearing apart. There's a lot of stuff going on. So thanks for your support, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.